dear judges, was it easy to choose the winners tonight, or did you have some difficulty or discussion?
Repeat the question, Tito.
Definitely it was difficult because the queens are all deserved to win. But at the end of the day, you have to choose the best people who represent the Philippines. Yeah, in the beginning it's hard, but when we had our closer meeting, discussion, of course, the winners are really deserved.
That's true for me also. It was really hard. Lagi ko lang sinasabi, we have high caliber candidates all the time. Whether it's a provincial pageant, it's a national pageant. So we all saw it this night. It's actually a culmination of all the activities they had to say. I was actually part of the screening process also. So I saw the ladies grow in just a month journey of Reina Filipinas. So grabe yung improvement of the girls. So it was really hard actually. It was really hard for me personally.
I think amazing quality of the contestant na rin ang Pilipinas this time, this time. Very fascinating. But you can see, I think, we both see some of them stand out. That's why I think difficult, but we just need time in this to have a safe result. I mean, the 100% agree with the result. That's why, I mean, someone really stand out. And congratulations for Reina Filipinas and the Filipinos so far, because you have the queen will go to compete in the international stage. Perfect, I have to say that.
Well, for me, it was an incredible experience. All the candidates are so professional and enjoy everything because they have the power on the stage. It's not common. Normally, we see a couple of girls like shy or insecure, but here, everyone looks like secure, power, strong. So it was a difficult, adventurous moment, but in the end, it was more easy because for me, actually, I like the person when you look in, your eyes go there. And the girl who select tonight, I think it was the best one. Everyone had beautiful hair, they worked so hard, but we need to select the best one for them today. And I think now Philippines have a good candidate and a strong woman. So I think she's very, very, very strong. And in the competition, I think she will win.
If she win, you will not win anymore.
Ang taray. Ang what? Jennifer!
We'd like to ask Ms. Kachana to please join the panel.
So busy on the stage.
Sir Michael, what can you say about that? What if yeah, how you chose the winner?
We had actually a very difficult deliberation backstage, but eventually all of us agreed to select the winners, and you all deserve, I think.
Tito, repeat the question.
For me, for the winner,
Yes. How did you select the winners?
of course, very difficult for choose the winner because the girls all professional and high performance. I was shocked when the opening show starts. Oh my goodness. Her legs very straight. And the girl 21 people confident. It has crown 21. I want to give her all. So very difficult.
Perfect 10.
Mama, mama.
So good evening to all of our pageant friends and friends. Now for me, it's not too difficult because there are some who really stood out from the batch. But nevertheless, all of them has really performed well, and at the same time, very high caliber performance from each of them.
Thank you.
Now we would like to ask our President, Jojo Vergais, and our National Director, Emma Tiglao, to join our panel. We'd like you to stay in the middle, please. Okay, not the same question anymore, huh? Who wants to shoot the next question first?
Sir,
Hi, good evening. For the judges, you have watched or judged pageants before. So, if you were to rate Reina Filipinas, same as you did in the evening gown competition, how would you rate Reina Filipinas?
Perfect 10.
awesome.
Amazing. It was one of the best production I've ever witnessed. Congratulations.
True.
Yeah, it was incredible. I told with Kutbo, and we start like Kutbo. Yes, she gets in, and I say like, oh my God, wow, I want to go there. What a bit, like a part of the event of the stage. But
That's
it
one
was
score.
so beautiful.
Score.
More than 10.
Ah. 10.5.
11.
See, like, great. For me, personally, I always love the production of competitions. I always look forward to the production of any competition. So this really set the standard for me, and I hope other pageants, whether it be even in just provincial, actually sometimes as a provincial we can see super talaga bonggang mga production. Sometimes, as part of the value list, sinasabi namin, sana may ganito din na kabongga na mabitbit sa national station. So I saw that this night, and I know they will make it even more grander. So kabahan ka na, Papa Jojo. Papa Papa, galingan mo next year.
Sige, score.
Huh? More than 10 din.
Doc.
Yeah, well, I got the opportunity to be one of the judges in different organizations. And I do not want to compare, but the way you see it tonight, it was really an amazing performance. It was an amazing production. It's the first time I saw that when I did the judging, we started on time. That's something I like about it. We started on time. And you know that everyone really prepared for this, especially Emma. Her performance, oh my God, it was so
That's
amazing.
15.
Yeah, the girls, they really dance so well, you know. I heard that Jojo even hired a choreographer. Yeah, for me, I'll give it, of course, a score of 10.
Sorry,
For me, Fantabulous 12. Like for the grand opening of Miss Emma, I was inspired to do the same. Gusto ko rin bumipit doon. At the same time, as you can see, the LED, it's like the production of MGI. It's really well designed and everything, the graphics. It's really world class. At the same time, the girls are sabay-sabay with their choreography. So really, one of a kind production for Reina Filipinas. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Sir Jojo and National Director Emma.
Shoot the next question, please. I have a question for our President, Jojo Vergais. Now that tapos na ang competition, may bago na tayong Reina. Mga Reina, how are you feeling?
At the moment, I am very, very happy. Kanina pa ako umiiyak sa stage. I'm actually very overwhelmed, di ba? Seeing lahat ng mga naging kaibigan ko sa industriya. Like what I'm saying is that I feel like this is like a group project of everybody that I love in the industry. Karamihan ng mga taong kinuha ko to be part of the production, even the judges are the people that I vibe with, I connect with, and merong mga impact sa buhay ko. And isa sa mga, nung kinuha ko si Sir Mike actually to be one of the judge, na-pressured ako, sabi ko, give me a good production. So kanina, when Sir Mike was saying that I love the show, it was perfect, so isa na yun sa mga bagay na masasabi ko, wow, thank you. And happy ako that the people are masaya. And of course, isa rin itong pasasalamat sa media. That's why kung makikita nyo, I gave you the best seat.
Yes, thank
So,
you.
wala na nagsisimula ako. Hindi naman nagsisimula pa ako. Alam niyo yan. Andito kayo sa akin. And up until now, andito kayo. So, nakita niyo kung paano ako lumaki. So, thank you so much. Sa lahat ng support. And
The judges.
yes, and ito mga judges that are here na lumipat pa from different countries. Maraming salamat. Thank you, Gatchabel. Thank you. Ito ko na hulma yan. Thank you. And thank you as well. Thank you sa National Director sa MSCJ, Doc, Leo. So, basta, hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin eh. I'm super happy. And sana masaya din kayong lahat. Sobrang masaya seeing everybody here. Basta, hindi ako masyado magaling mag-speech. Emma, sabihin mo kay ko magaling dito, but thank you. I won't be able to do this. Asan si Papanawa? Yun pala ang tanong. Nagda-live.
Nagda-live ka.
Yun. So, gusto ko lang din sabihin, I won't be able to do this without Papanawa, of course, Emma. Ayun lang.
Wow, amazing. Grabe ang team effort, grabe yung sacrifice din. Ibang klase yun. Thank you for the trust.
Of course.
Ang daming pagsubok behind it, ang daming negativity, but Reyna Filipinas remain positive with everything that is happening around us. Because we think na kapag positive ka, yung magiging outcome also is positive. So sana positive po yung inyong nakita sa stage ng Reyna Filipinas. We just want our dreams. Kami ni Jojo, kasi ako matagal naman na nagpa-pageant. You know that. Baby pa ako nagpa-pageant. Ang tagal natin pinangarap to have the international crown. So nakita ko different pageant journey, municipalities man yan, different national pageants. Jojo naman, ang daming na-judge sa iba't ibang lugar. So siguro yung gusto namin makita na pageant sa stage, dito namin ibinuhos lahat. Lahat tayo merong pangarap. So dito, meron na kaming power to do that. Sana nagawa namin at napasaya namin kayo through Reyna Filipinas.
I understand.
I am also thankful to our judges because minsan lang na I just asked them if you can judge or you can visit Philippines to support Reyna Filipinas. They didn't think twice. They said yes. Thank you.
Alright. I would like to ask a question for Gatchabel. Gatchabel, I would like to know, how do you feel that you are loved by so many Filipinos out there? And who taught you those Filipino words you said earlier?
Mama.
All of that? Yes, of course, from you guys. Filipino, my makeup artist and stylist today teach me Jabel. Wow, Gatchabel, today you can say Mama, Naka, and new word. Today, Deba Kabong.
Kabong.
Deba Kabong. And I know Basara. yesterday, Abisala.
Yeah.
Sorry, kidding. Abisala.
Wow.
Brillante. Thank you, Emma.
But how do you feel that you are so loved by so many Filipinos out there, cheering out for you on stage earlier?
Why is so kind like this? Why is so lovely, friendly, and give your heart for me 100%? Every time when I come back here, I feel like staying home is really, it's real for me. And thank you that you can see me from inside even I cannot speak English very well. From the start, last year, I confident. I can tell you, I'm not speaking English. And I start to learning English when I have my roommate. She name is Emma. She tried to understand me, even I don't understand. And I just say yes, thank you. Even have a question, Belle, you want something? Yes. Very hungry? Thank you. And this is good experience. Thank you for trust me. I love you. Mahal Kita. I remember first chance I come here for coming home with Emma. Homecoming with Emma. Every chance, every opportunity from Emma and Jojo, please. Thank you for take care and support me. Love you too much, Filipino. And I for Lena Filipinas, this is masterpiece. I love your energy. When you want to do something, you put your energy 100%. You put your power. You love it. You don't care. I need to go to sleep. I need to go back home. No. If you want to do something, you just do the best. And today, this is the viral today. The it seems like cabaret show, cabaret show. Woo! And that's why your country received award, the best power of the country. I love you, Filipinos!
Mama! Thank you. Oh, tama na kayo na. Kaya winners na.
We would like to call them in so we can feed questions to them already. Miss Arvin? Yeah, and we would like to thank you judges for joining us tonight.
This was really
Maraming salamat po.
We will start to proceed to the dining area. Oh, one photo.
Asa si Paget Talk? Hello, sir. Mare. Tayo ako nga, Mare. Center.
Your left, please. Thank you very much, judges.
Gotcha bell! 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 Grazie, Joe! Gotcha bell! Gotcha bell!
Thank you very much. And now let us welcome our pioneer batch of Reina Filipinas title holders.
Sa introduce na ayun na, ayun sila.
Congratulations, we have our runners. Say, Luisa Lori.
Magandang gabi.
Yes, once again,
It's okay.
our Reina Filipinas
Nakakana.
Queen! here to our press conference area. We have our Reina Filipinas MGI All-Stars, Alexi Mega, Imoso Brooks of Iloilo!
Ano pumapalak mo para sa iba? Ano hindi na mapagod?
And our other Reina Filipinas MGI All-Stars and Patricia Lorenzo Diaz from the city of Manila! Is Angelica Lopez in the house, in the area that you're here? I'd like to call on Angelica Lopez and Cleopatra and sino pang hula? Si Bella Ortega. Bella, Cleopatra, and Angelica. We'd like to call on Bella Ortega, Cleopatra from Zambales, and Angelica Dana Lopez, Reina Filipinas Grand International. Ay, dumating na siya. Isa. Ladies and gentlemen, our Reina Filipinas Grand International, Angelica Dana Lopez from Palawan! Ngayon tayo po namin maanyayahan din dito si Bella Ortega Camarines, sir. Bella Ortega Grand, may I correct myself? Bella Ortega Grand.
Angelica.
We'd like to call on Cleopatra Barrera from the province of Zambales, our Reina Filipinas first runner-up, to please join us here. Nandiyan na ba? Update mo. Maybe we can proceed with the press conference while we're waiting for Cleopatra Barrera, our first runner-up. Would like to throw the first question. Sherman Gamboa.
Award. Ako na. Hello, I'm Sherman. My question is for Angelica. Parang since we won 2 years in a row, do you feel any pressure right now?
I've been asked a lot of that questions because I know that a lot of people are thinking that it's going to be really impossible to secure them back to back to back. However, I am just thinking positively because in the end of the day, what matters is the journey itself. And I'm just really looking forward to have so much fun and to meet the candidates in Miss Grand International 2026. So regardless and whatever may be the result, when I compete in India, I'm going to be very much happy about it because I know that I did my best in the end of the day.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Before we proceed, may we have Cleopatra Barrera to join us here, our first runner-up.
Drew.
Asan? Pinalita ng Silvia. Mama.
Okay, let's proceed with the next question, please.
So, my question is for Alexi. So, Alexi, we all know na laki ng fan base ko. And in Miss Grand, MGI All-Stars, malaking bagay na meron ka malaking fan base to begin with because of the votings and all that. So, ano sa tingin mo yung contribute na fans to your campaign in Miss Grand?
question is for Anne. Anne, I think this is not a smooth journey for you. There are people and other critics are doubting about you joining here. Ano masasabi mo sa political transfer that we have here that is also mga naharangan mga bagus pa lang ang pangarap?
Thank you po. Actually, when I joined Reina Filipinas, I thought there's another chance to compete together with me. Pero nagkataon ko mag-isa lang ako. Maybe because they are still afraid to compete and to try because they're afraid for what other people will tell them. Kasi nga parang ako in my entire pageant career for 15 years, this is my first time competing with the cisgender women sisters. So sabi ko, parang bago ako dito, nangangapatin talaga ako. But now that I got the Reina Filipinas MGI All-Star Crown, feeling ko mas may inspire at next year, mas maraming sasali mga trans Pinay at magta-try sila because they saw someone na hindi tumigil and dinedma ang mga bashings and the homophobic and transphobic. So, feeling ko this is the beginning. And for me, that is my exact goal. When I'm competing here in Reina Filipinas, sabi ko, gusto ko gamitin yung platform to widen the mind of people, to teach them, to make them well-informed for what is transgender women.
Congratulations. Anong feeling mo na nag-top ang trans?
Taray!
This, sir. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, magaling talaga mag-top ang mga trans. Kasi nga, diba, kami mga trans Pinay, ay lahat naman tayong Pilipino. Filipinos are very, brave, saan pa tayo. Dahil just like Adam Sayala, diba, nagtayo na namin siya ng maraan, she's a grand champion. So, ibig sabihin lang doon, whatever your gender is, even your trans Pinay, kaya mo mag-top kapag Pinay.
Hello, thank you, Pacha. Sabi mo nga kanina, hindi na-expect na mapasa ang semis. Ano feeling na nagpakilala ka sa mundo ng Philippine pageantry? Ang ganda-ganda mo, lalo nung lumabas ko ng gown. I mean, is this your first time mag-join ng national? Oh, this is really nag-shine ka tonight.
Honestly po, overwhelmed ko. Hindi ko kasi talaga in-expect. Sabi ko, top 11, super grateful na naging part of the 11. And then top 7, and then first runner-up. Who would have thought po? Kaya, I'm super grateful. And thank you po sa Reina Filipinas team kasi success ang Reina Filipinas team.
Encouraging beauty. Thank you so much.
I have a question for the runners-up. Inannounce na kanina that the second season of Reina Filipinas will be happening summer of 2027. Runners-up, are you planning to return for second season and start with the ladies? Zaya and Lorien, go ahead.
I like the name dropping though. Pero yeah, I am not closing any doors for pageantry of course, but I think magpapahinga muna for now not tonight. Kasi pagod kami. Pagod kami lahat. Kakain kami, yes. And of course, magpapagaling muna ako from my previous na flu. Kasi nilaban ko naman ngayon, I think hanggang doon lang yung kinaya. Kasi nagkasakit tayo for the past few days. I don't know if it's quite obvious on my voice, but narinig niyo kung umuubo ako na yun. And yeah, it's a great opportunity talaga to be here in Reina Filipinas. Kasi being with these beautiful girls, beautiful ladies, Mandy, they are such amazing people. And who knows, next year or the following years, maybe I get to join again. I should. Dapat sa sponsor si Ate Anne. Diba? Laban? Mga mama?
Super amazing with Ate Zaya. I'm not closing any doors. But I will rest po muna since I'm still a student and I have a business while I'm a young entrepreneur. So I will focus muna po sa business ko so I can get more money. Para makuha ko ulit ang most popular food. Charing. Hindi po, yung mag-iipon po muna ako ng bonggang-bongga. And of course, I will focus to my studies po muna. And Reina Filipinas is a great opportunity for me kasi kahit pa paano po nakilala po ang Caloocan sa national pageant. And I think ang buong Batang Kakalu are proud of me kasi they're looking up for me to get the title kahit runner-up lang. I'm so proud of sobrang support nila sa mga votings na nakuha ko yung Miss Popular Vote. Actually, malapit na po ako mainis kay Ate Alexi kanina eh. Sabi ko, ano yung support si Ate Alexi? Hindi ba titigil ko? Parang ako ba? Wala na ako ng chance! Sabi ko po, buti na lang nag-close na yung voting. Nakuha kayo top 7. So yun, grateful din ako sa Reina Filipinas na may ganun silang atake. Nabibigay may votings online para kahit paano yung mga girls na nawala ng chance to get in the first cut. May chance pa rin for the finals. And now I'm here, the fourth cut of Reina Filipinas 2026.
Bella.
For me, I would say why not? I would always tell my the people kapag yung podcast namin na interviews like, how are you feeling today? I would always say like, I'm so sad it's really over because our pageant is cut short. This is parang malapit na may Grand International, so the pageant is really cut short sa Malaysia. And I really did enjoy the experience of Reina Filipinas, despite it being inactive. It really made us feel that it's a great pageant. That we are very supported by a lot of friends, a lot of organizations, and a lot of people that really believe in our organization. So, with the question, why not? I'll have credit back next year.
For me naman po, yes. Hindi ako titigil lang kasi wala pa akong corona. Ilalaban ko po ulit ang simbahan. And my pageant really love and not everywhere. Tutuloy pa rin po. Kasi grabe ang experience ko dito sa Reina Filipinas. Super grateful na naging part po ako ng Reina Filipinas. At magiging grateful ko po ako kasi magiging part ulit ako sa Filipinas. Ilalaban ko ulit ang Zambales.
Eran.
Actually, it was Miss Erin Montoya. And siguro bibigyan ko na rin po kayo ng real actor na Montoya. It was actually inspired by my real Patra. And also, I incorporated po my province. Kasi alam po natin na West Philippines is located sa Mindanao. So, as you can see po, may mga blue. It represents po the beauty of our Tijuana. Yun po ang ating gawin.
Alright, first of all, congratulations po. Kasi kayo yung mga first winner na inaugural ng Reina Filipinas. So my question is, sa pagkumbenta, ano ang mas mabigat? Yung koronang suot ninyo or yung responsibilidad na kalapit dito?
Yung corona. For me, I would say it's, of course, the responsibility itself. Because you have to be visible at all times. You have to prove that you're, of course, worthy of your titles. So you have to engage with a lot of people. And, I've always been thinking about this ever since I joined Reina Filipinas. Because I grew up introvert. And in Reina Filipinas, I really learned
Just to like, don't be afraid to actually do so, because then my nose is still gonna say, actually, bakit na dapat, hindi ka naman kapag nila sila sa akin, kasi lagi kami namin sila. So I think it's really good, not only that it opens up your personality to show people, but it's like helping you learn more, especially on business side.
I love it so much. Hindi pa na share. Pinanood na.
With the rest of the team, how to handle the business.
I love it.
Ako, for me, copy-paste chart. Ayan, sa akin lagi naman, every titles, mabigat talaga yung responsibility. Kasi especially now that I am the first transgender women from Australia, Pilipinas, and one of the transgender Filipina na mag-compete sa MJ All-Star. So for me, I have two responsibilities. First, of course, I need to fulfill my reign as Reina Filipina. Second, I need to be a good example for my trans Pinay community. Kasi yung pagsali doon, hindi lang naman siya #baklaan. So dapat meron kang pinapakita na something na makupulot ng mga bata that they are really happy. So kahit nagdabas na ng ilang ulit, just like me, literal, kahapon sa bata, nahulog ako sa stage. I fell, that's why I won. Charot! Yes, ayun po. So, mabigat yung responsibility literally, but I'm very willing to work. In every organization na nakatrabaho, palagi ko sinasabi, minsan mo lang siya gagawin, matatapos train mo ng mabilis, gawin mo na lang sa akin.
Thank you, girls. Congratulations. Photo.
We ask the three title holders for a photo first, and then later you will get the Okay, thank you, Gabri.
Sorry ka, Center. Center, number one. Okay, center number one. Let's see here. 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 Okay. Dalawa pa.
At least nag-top ka
At least top ka. Nasa power top yan.
Sa power top. Closer.
Okay, closer po. Center. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here. Here, middle. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Video.
Kaway-kaway lang.
Kaway-kaway. Aura-aura.
Aura-aura.
Filipinas.
Number 1.
Reina Pilipinas!
One more.
One more.
Energy.
Energy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Reina Pilipinas!
Thank you very much. So that wraps up our press conference.
Gusto mo yun? Sa outro ka agad. Sa outro.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. To our media friends, I'm so sorry. I know I promised na meron one later. Pero sisingilin na po tayo ng for performance. Sa gusto po mag-one-on-one, kayo na lang po sisingilin namin para sa for performing arts. Sino po ang willing na mag-abono sa overtime fee for performing arts theater? Sino po mag-aatas ng pagwala? Maraming salamat po sa inyo